I will share with you on the lean manufacturing concept to help you understand lean better and why it is important. You will not only learn about lean fundamentals but also push and pull concept which many people find it difficult to grasp. By the end of this video, you will be able to explain lean manufacturing with the push and pull concept.
When we talk about lean, what type of picture that comes into your mind? Maybe a marathon runner, a lean cut of meat without any fat, or food that are much better for you, or perhaps something or someone with speed and agility. Let's look at the three gentlemen from the last century and their influences on lean. The first one would be Dr. James Womack, where he led a group of researchers from MIT to study the production and the innovation in the automobile industries. And they began to observe the Japanese Toyota Motor Company's unique system, which has inspired him to release an iconic book named The Machine That Changed the World, which popularized the word lean. Go back in time, Henry Ford has actually began utilizing the same concept as early as 1920s in his production of T model. But most often, Toyota is credited for creating what we now call lean. And in Japan, we have a gentleman called Taiichi Ohno, the founder of Toyota Production System, where he is an industrial engineer and also a businessman, and the Toyota Production System actually focuses on two pillars, which is Jidoka and just in time, to eliminate waste and enable flow and value to customers. As is said, all we are doing is looking at the timeline from the moment customer gave us the order to the point we collect cash, and we are reducing that time by removing the non-value added waste. In this slide, we shall look at lean in a nutshell. Lean is actually a philosophy that focuses on creating value through a culture of continuous improvement and focus on elimination of waste. So it is actually a culture which focuses on customers, bringing value to the customers, improving the flow through waste elimination. And it is actually based on Toyota Production System or TPS. The lean fundamentals for a business starts from identifying what is value to the customers and understand the value stream, where what are the ways or what is hindering the flow of a value stream to the customers, and also improve the flow after identifying the waste, and then we'll start to pull the system, and also lastly striving for perfection through continuous improvement or Kaizen activities, which leads to improved efficiency and speed. And it is the fundamental of respect for people that is working in the value stream.
Do enroll in my course on practical lean management at Udemy, an affordable course provider. This course is for manufacturing quality engineers, supplier quality engineers, where you will learn about the basic lean tools, the 5S Kaizen error-proof vision management standardized work, and how to apply them and flow the process to improve the value stream and customers' value. Lead a Kaizen activities using all the lean tools and also lean in Industrial Revolution 4.0 manufacturing. This course comes with 5 downloadable files which include Kaizen templates and 5S template. Click on the link below to understand more about the course, and you can also reach out to me through LinkedIn with the link provided below for a special rate. Not many people understand push and pull concept even though they have gone through a very detailed lean training. Here, I have put it in a very simple illustration so that my students can understand push and pull concept easily. Push is actually a traditional business model where you will produce a lot of parts and later on push it to the customers. That means you will push the product to the market and to the customers and ask customers to buy the product even though they do not need it. This is called push model, and usually is produced with high quantity or batch by batch operations. In a pull model, which is the way we should be doing, unfortunately, is not very much in practice due to the constraint of the value chain that it was already designed to be a push model. So in a pull model, we will understand the customer's needs, what they need, and how many parts they need, and when do they need it. After that, we will manufacture or build the part or provide the services that is needed by the customers. This is really called adding value to the customers because customers need something maybe to solve their problem or to enhance their life. So it is based on customers' demand and calculated by the takt time. I hope that this video will give you all the fundamentals about lean manufacturing and also help you in a job interview. Do like my video and subscribe to this channel to get more insights about quality engineering to achieve consistently good quality product. Leave me a comment on your lean journey as I would like to be part of it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.